Hi everyone. In today's tutorial we're going to cover users, roles, and permissions. So as you start growing or you want to add users to your Swell Enterprise account, you can set up roles with different permissions to let the system know what you want those users to do. So to get started, you click on the three dots in the upper header here, or if you've already got that shortlisted, you can click on it from the sidebar. And under the People tab, we're going to go ahead and go to New User. This allows us to quickly create a user, and if you've already got your role set up, all you need to do is fill out their name, their email, and choose which role you'd like them to have. So you can see here we've got a few roles: administrator, intern, and sales. Now, once you're done with this, go ahead and click Create User. This will add the user to that account using those roles and permissions that you defined. Now, if you'd like to create a role, you can go to New Role, and let's say we want to set up a role here that's only view only. So I'll just say view only. You can choose to give it a different display name if you want to. And I've set a basic description here. Now below you can see all the different permissions that you have available. Now this could be a little difficult to kind of read through. It's a lot to digest. So we've created these shortcuts in the top, which will pre-select all the ones you'd want. And then you can simply just go in and unselect them or select additional permissions to create your custom role. So changing the different tabs changes the permissions. For this one, I'm going to go ahead and click on Read Only and then Create New Role. And once my role is created, I'll see it here in the table, and I can go to New User from the People section, and then now I should have that role available to me. So if I click on Roles, I now see View Only, and I can assign it to a specific person or several users. Now, let's say you also have different departments in your organization, and maybe those departments either share the same role or they have different roles. You can create teams such as graphic design, web developers, in the case of a web design agency, by going to the three dots in the upper right header here, and then click on the Collaboration tab and click on New Team. Now, teams are useful if, like, for example, you want to create a project and assign it to a whole team or a whole department. That's a great scenario where you can use teams as well as tasks and some of the other features within Swell. So I would just say graphic design and click Save. And now I should have the ability to add several users to my team. You can see here where I can switch between the different teams that I am on, in the case that you are invited to that team or your user is invited to the team. And if you created the team, you should have the option here to click on Users and invite various users to your team or your department. So to invite other users to a specific team or department, just go to that team and then click on their name from the drop-down. And this will send them a notification to join that department or join that team. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach us at the bottom of the right-hand corner. We'll be happy to assist.